Okie dokie. Starting off this lovely video with my Cam. He's gonna do my makeup for us today. Again, we've done this before, but we thought it'd be fun to do it again today.
Yep.
So what makeup do you want to use?
Most
of it's over here. Do you have any colors in mind?
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh, I got the perfect palette for you. Perfect. Honey. That's yellow. If I've never seen a yellow palette before in my life.
Just what I wanted, glitter.
Yay. Alright.
Hopefully none of the glitter gets in your eyes.
That's the goal. I don't want that one. I'm going to put on some poreless, putty eye primer. It's not poreless when it's eye primer. It's just eye primer. Okay. Put on some eye primer. Yay. Grab my pouncer. I like to pounce in my eye primer. Make sure it's nice and in there. It is warm in here. I probably should turn on an air conditioner or something, but oh well.
Want me to go do that?
If you want to, just turn on this one.
Which one? The one closest to the kitchen?
Yeah. Okie dokie. Okay. Here's the yellows. And now you've got brushes to choose from.
A pink blush.
Doesn't matter what color the brush is. Yeah. Obviously, it's color of the shadow that you want.
So shadow goes on your eyes?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no.
Feels nice and soft.
I don't think we're getting anywhere. It's not getting on. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh.
Problems?
Yeah.
What are you using? Are you using glitter?
Yeah.
You want to use your finger for the glitters.
Oh, okay.
Then you press them on and they stay. See?
Okay.
So for glitter, you just want to push them on.
Okay.
We get a wipe. And then you wipe some stuff off.
Yeah, it's my bad.
Hey, you're learning. Comes with the learning curve. Okay, next. Now what? Gonna do the other eye?
Yeah.
Are we showing them? Can they see?
Yeah, they can see.
Okay.
I think. Got it a bit on the top part of the nose.
Okay.
I think that's good.
That's all you're doing for shadow?
What?
Or you want to add other shadows?
You could add more too.
Who can add more?
I could add more.
You can, yeah.
Okay.
If you want to. It's all in your hands. Everything's in your hands. There we go. Zero off that.
Sweet spot. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try and add on to this eye that I did not get that good. That's my hand. I think that's good. Doesn't look that much different.
If that's what you want it to be, then that's what you want it to be. Okay. Is that it for eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. You want some blush?
Yeah, whatever that is.
That's the stuff that goes on your cheeks. Makes your cheeks rosy. Let's match my shirt with the Milani Coral Cove blush.
Okay.
And let's give you this blush brush.
I love that name. It's so beautiful. Look perfect already. Yeah, pretty pink.
What are your thoughts about going back to school?
Mine?
Yeah.
It's not going to be great because I have to still wear a mask.
Yeah. But it won't be like, it'll be some kids will go in the morning and some kids will go in the afternoon, so it won't be like you're all going together.
Yeah.
Does that make you feel any better?
Yeah.
Use this for the
I
butter
just
bronzer.
hope I get some people instead of other people.
Yeah. Okay, do you know how to do bronzer?
Bronzer, does it go all around your face?
It goes here, here,
Okay.
all through here.
Okay. I don't think I'm doing it.
I'm looking so pale. I don't know why. The lighting seems extra pale today. I think because the sun's not out.
Okay. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, highlighter?
Highlighter?
Highlighter. Let me do this highlighter. Oops.
What does that go?
Highlighter goes. Let me see if I can find you. I wonder if there's another brush just like that. This brush should work.
Okay.
Where you take it and you go like this, and then you do the step on my cheekbone.
So basically, where I put
This.
the pink stuff,
Yeah, just above the pink stuff.
just above the pink stuff. And you should probably
Up here too. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to try brows or no?
Let's brows.
Eyebrows.
Put this on.
No. Do you want to try to do eyebrows or no?
It depends what I have how to do eyebrows.
Take this little pencil and you just kind of color them in.
Oh gosh. Okay, I'll do that. Is this sharp or anything?
No. So would you rather have in-school schooling or home schooling?
In school.
Good.
Okay. I'm not gonna use this because I don't know what it is.
It's like a brush where you take it and you push, 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 push.
Do I even have eyebrows?
Yes.
That's hard to see.
It's because you're a little redhead.
No.
Wait.
Done.
Oh, okay. Lipstick. Pick a lipstick. Any lipstick. Don't.
Where's the lipsticks?
They're over here. Any specific color you looking for?
Red.
We got coral. You want like red?
Yeah.
Hold on, we got a fire engine red here.
Fire engine red.
Yeah. Fire engine red.
I'm so excited.
A little bit. A little bit. I need you to do a little bit. You're missing some spots.
Okay. Just don't want to get it in your mouth or on your cheeks. In your teeth. Okay.
Mmm, beautiful.
Smells good.
Okay. Well,
Anything else?
I think that's it for this. I don't think there's really anything else you can do.
What's this?
That's lip scrub. It's to prepare your lips.
I'm itchy.
I'm sorry. I'm a hot mess.
I'm upside down.
I look like a ghost. Why do I look like a ghost? In real life, I am not that white. What is up with this? That's so weird, right?
Yeah. At least you don't look that white.
Anyways, here, come to me.
Ow. My
What?
back has a scratch on it.
Oh. Well, yeah, I guess I'm not as white as him, but pretty darn close.
I don't think anyone's as white as me.
Mhm. There's people. Alright, did you enjoy doing my makeup?
Yep. It was fun.
Yay! If you enjoyed him doing my makeup, then hit the like button. If not, well, boo-hoo. It's just me. I look like a clown. Look at me. Alright, that is it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this silly little impromptu video, and yeah, I hope you will tune in for future videos. They're not all gonna be as silly as these, but we love to throw in the silly ones now and again. So yeah, if you enjoy beauty related content, then make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!
And join the hashtag Notification Nation.